Hi viewers, welcome to Playful Learn Baby Boss. Today we are going to make Diya. For this I am taking paper. This is a red color paper. I am folding it this way on both the sides. See, I have folded like this, and now I am going to fold it like this to half. Now let's attach these sides. I'm applying glue to paste them. Now let's open it, and these corners here in the middle we need to apply the glue so that they will stick to each other. Okay, so now let's make the wick of the Diya. For that, here I am taking a glitter foam sheet. Draw this and cut it out. And paste it to the Diya. See, here I am folding, and here I will apply the glue. Yes. And the Diya is ready. Now let's make the second Diya. Okay, so the second one. Now again I am taking the paper and repeat the same like the first one, folding it on both sides. Now fold it, apply the glue, this is ready. Now we are going to make a different wick here. See, I am folding this paper and I'll draw the shape. Now cut this. Now fold this in the middle. See, like this. Vertically you need to fold, and now separate the pieces and let's attach this to one another. See, like this. Now down we have left little space, right? Bend those edges little bit, and now attach this to the diya by applying some glue. The diya is ready. Hope you like this video. Please do try this at home and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.